Hello, today we're looking at the Gemini jets, Malaysia Airlines Boeing 737-800 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in a presentation box. It has a picture of the plane found inside, the model of the plane, the Boeing 737-800, and the airline it flies with, Malaysia Airlines. On the back, we have another image of the plane and some information about what a Gemini jet is. Back to the front, we can lift it up and you can see the plane inside without having to take it out, so you can display it like so. And then on the lid, we have some information about the plane, such as a history of the Boeing 737, and some specification information, such as wingspan and length, height in feet and inches, and some other information you might like to know, such as cruising speed, empty weight, delivery date, and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself. So it comes packaged within 2 pieces of plastic. Just pop it up, and here it is, the Boeing 737-800, which is a next-gen Boeing 737. So let's have a look at the wonderful details of this plane. As you can see, we've got the wingtips, we've got flaps and ailerons, we've got detailed jet engines. On the stabilizers, we can see the rudders and the elevators. Underneath, you can see the landing gear. Got a little place for a stand. So it's very, very detailed. The physical details of this plane. You can see little antennas here, one here. Now let's look at the livery detail, as this is a Malaysia Airlines flight. You can see the Malaysian Airlines Negaraku livery, which was an initiative to promote a sense of national pride and unity in the country of Malaysia. As you can see, it's got a big Malaysian flag running along the side. We've got a registration here of 9MMXS. We've got a little logo on the vertical stabilizer. Again here, Malaysia Airlines with another Malaysia flag here, of course. As it says here, Negaraku underneath. Got tons and tons of detail. You can see it says Boeing 737 on the engines. Let's look at the other side of this plane. Again, it's the same level of detail all along. Just overall, it's a very, very nice model plane. It has a length of about 9.9 centimeters and a wingspan of about 9 centimeters, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.